Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. So as you've seen the title, I am actually going to be comparing two serums that is from Dot and Key. One was previously launched and this one is brand new. So I have been using these two serums from Dot and Key in my skincare routine and I wanted to tell you my version, pros and cons for this oily acne prone skin and what benefits these two products come with. So first is this one. This is their Blueberry Hydrate 12% Barrier Boost Repair Serum. This was initially launched and I actually got this product based on their moisturizer that I love, absolutely love. Is their barrier hydrating moisturizer or something that I have been loving for years. And as I love that, I thought this is going to be something more intense. It's going to be more something that will rapidly work on my stressed out skin and work on that barrier repair. But I felt quite the opposite. Okay, when my skin was actually very dry using tretinoin and it was very flaky, so that time I gave this serum a shot and I applied generously on my face. But the next day morning my skin actually felt more drier, but at that time it did feel very hydrating and my skin was feeling very cool and calm and hydrating. But next day morning when I woke up, my skin was very dry, as if it needed more moisture. Then I used this again my skin felt very dry after a couple of hours. Then again I used it. It just happened like my skin was not really feeling that it was like enough moisture with this particular serum. But when I use the moisturizer, after twice of the application with the moisturizer, my skin just felt like wow. My skin felt like okay, I'm breathing, like I have life back on my skin. So that's how that two products differentiate. Can you see how dry and flaky and kind of red my skin is on certain areas? Because I have been using tretinoin and my skin is a little agitated with dryness, so that's when I thought of using this particular serum. So let's just go ahead. I literally hate this pump at applicators because it squirts really bad, especially the first pump. It has a little light blue in consistency. It feels very hydrating, has a sliminess to it as well. Now coming to the ingredient list, it has aqua in the first ingredient, then it has niacinamide, then it has couple of other ceramides and peptides, and it also has lactic acid, which is going to work as a very mild exfoliation. I really didn't feel that much of exfoliation while using this product, but yes, lactic acid is in the middle of the ingredient list. Probably it's is very less in percentage, it will show results eventually, but yes, it is super mild. You can use it in the daytime but follow up with a sunscreen. And then it has blueberry extract, rice water extract. My skin is already irritated, so it's not itching or burning or giving any tingling sensation, so the serum is very soothing, I would say. It definitely plumped up my skin. It looks so hydrated. I'm just like adding an extra layer to see how it works, like on the irritation and the dryness that I have. Usually I am a oily skin girl, so don't get confused. I don't have dry skin. It's just that with using tretinoin, my skin sometimes does get dry, but still it's oily in like my T-zone. I like to use it only for those makeup and everything, because this serum is good, but it's just good for summers. Again, if you have oily skin, you want a daytime serum that's going to be great for your hydration for a couple of hours. So for summers, this is a very lightweight serum. So the next product is the Dot and Key Pomegranate Youth 0.2 Retinol Complex Face Serum. I got this one during January, so after that I have been using this particular serum. Now as I use tretinoin twice a week, that is on Friday night and Saturday night, basically when I know that I'll be at home, so that time I use tretinoin, and for the whole week I used something like this because I started loving this because it's super gentle, but you know, keeps that like vibe going on which I feel with tretinoin. It kind of pulls my skin, makes my skin feel firmer and tighter, and also when I apply this on at night, definitely it's very hydrating, nothing like tretinoin. It will not dry and crack up your skin, but something that I felt, it is hydrating but still feels, my skin feels tighter, and I feel my pores feels a little bit shrinker. It has a very beautiful milky consistency, and which helps in spreading the product very easily. And also other retinol serums that I have used in past, compared to that, this one felt a little bit more fluidy, very lightweight, gets absorbed super quickly, and also I don't break out with this particular serum. That's the best part. I don't break out with any of these two serums. This also doesn't give me any breakout. It's safe for your acne prone sensitive skin. Really, it doesn't give me any breakout, but this one is amazing for my skin. I did see definite results after using it for 2 to 3 weeks. Every time when I applied at night, when I wake up, I felt my skin was looking much better, rejuvenated, hydrated. If I have to recommend any one of the product among this both, and something that you will see results with, I would recommend this one based on my like skin type. If you have same oily acne prone skin type and you get you know, congested acne, weird hormonal acne once and now, then you can go for this particular retinol serum. Now coming to the ingredient list of this particular retinol serum, it has niacinamide, it also has retinols to it, and initial ingredients are aqua and then squalene, which is again great for hydration. And yeah, it has a lot of ingredients like peptides and ceramides. It has that. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that like button and the subscribe button. That would really help me out. And yes, we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.